So here is how you can make hair in Blender. So first of all, open up your Blender application on your PC. And after that, open up your Blender project. And as you can see, I'm already here. So once you open your Blender project, what you need to do is click on Add from here. After that, hover over on Mesh and then select UV Sphere from the options. So once you select it, you will get to see your sphere right here. So now, in order to add hair to your sphere, what you need to do is click on Particles from the right panel like this. After that, you need to click on the plus icon right here. And then, as you can see, there is an option for hair. Click on it. Then, you will see the hair has been added to your sphere. Now, go to the number section and adjust it according to your preference. You can set the number of hair on your sphere. After that, if you go to hair length, you can adjust the length of the hair on the sphere. And then, I will go to segments and set it at 12. After that, go to seed and adjust it to 24, but you can set the numbers according to your preference. So that is exactly how you can make hair in Blender. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.